Hi everyone! It's Raiza Contawi and welcome sa panibago na naman nating video. And this one is very special because nandito na siya. Finally, marireveal ko na kung ano ba yung dapat ma-reveal na may iba sa inyo. Tinatanong na yan before kasi nagpa-hint-hint na ako ng konti. And then, yung iba naman siguro sa inyo walang idea. Pero, here we go! Guys, may I present to you this dream collaboration with Detail Cosmetics! Ayan na siya! Oh my God! I am so happy. This is my first ever collaboration with a beauty brand. And I'm so happy it's with Detail Cosmetics. And I'm so happy na local brand sila. So talagang proudly Pinoy. And just take a look at that kasi hindi lang din ako, but I am alongside these 11 amazing creators na talaga namang, tinan nyo naman, pasabog. So 12 lipsticks, 12 shades, 12 powdery goodness. And this is what you call, guys, the Powder Pout collection. I am so proud. I am so happy to be sharing this with you guys because I've been really wanting to share it with you. And now, I can finally show you the swatches. O, di ba pasabog? As in like 12 shades in one collection. Parang medyo mind blown pa rin ako. As in parang 12 creators, isang bagsakan talaga, no? Detail just did that. Can I just say I am so proud of what we created? Kasi syempre kung hindi ako proud and hindi ako confident, di ba, na ibahagi ito sa inyo. But I am very proud, I am very confident na kapag nasuot nyo to, ma-enjoy nyo. Well, hopefully ma-enjoy nyo, hopefully bagay sa inyo, because this shade I created is something na sana pang lahat. And yun nga, sana lang ma-enjoy nyo. And sana ma-enjoy nyo din lahat talaga ng lipsticks in this collection kasi pinagpaguran din talaga namin tong lahat. At hands-on kaming lahat dito sa collection na to. Kami yung mga pumili ng shade talaga. At personally speaking, ako, ginawa ko pa talaga yung shade. As in, nag-mix ako ng mga kulay, nag-mix ako ng pigments just to achieve this kind of old rose shade that I wanted to achieve for you guys. So, ito palang kit na to, ito yung tinatawag na PR kit, magiging available din siya. So, you can get all 12 lipsticks and it will come with this beautiful acrylic case. Sorry. And pwede nyo rin naman ding mabili isa-isa for 199 pesos. Crazy, 199 pesos lang siya. Nasa Old Rose family yung pinili kong shade for this lipstick kasi so rose means a lot to me. Makikita niyo sa logo ko, makikita niyo sa kwintas ko. That's because yung pangalan kong Raiza, it means rose. So itong lipstick na to, itong shade na to, it represents me and my love for makeup and my love for you guys. My love for you guys because ever since, you know, the beginning when I was still doing makeup on my clients to now teaching makeup or sharing what I know about makeup through tutorials, through reviews, ay nagre-revolve yan sa main goal ko, and that is to make you guys feel beautiful. And I feel very, very happy kapag nakakapagpaganda ako ng ibang tao. Just the joy and the fulfillment of seeing, you know, happiness sa faces ng mga napapaganda ko, it means a lot to me. And so, this lipstick is like a combination of myself para sa inyo. So, yon. And sakto-sakto din because yung shades namin dito, mga pangalan namin. So, it's like a dream come true to see your name, you know, in a lipstick. As you can see here, guys, meron kaming parang picture dito para hindi kayo malilito sa boxes. Or, I mean, kung kilala nyo naman or kung namumukhaan ninyo, may pirma naman namin, don't worry. And then we have here our logo. Tapos, powder pout. And then, yung shade. Yung shade naman namin, ulit yung name namin. So, this one, it is enriched with vitamin E. It is also non-drying and walang animal ingredient na ginamit. So, this is a cruelty-free product. And of course, sobrang affordable niya at 199. Grabe. And magiging available din siya sa halos lahat ng online platforms ng Detail Cosmetics. Grabe tong collection na to talaga. As in power. As in parang Marvel, Justice League ng collaboration. Ganun talaga yung peg. Alam mo yung challenge sa collection na to? So, behind the scenes, syempre, yung shade namin, ginagawa namin. Pero hindi kami tipong, uy, anong shade yung gagawin mo? Or hindi muna kami nagpakitaan ng shade bago kami, you know, bago namin nilabas or bago namin sinubmit sa Detail Cosmetics. And so, nung nagkasubmitan na, doon lang nilabas sa parang, ito yung shades nyo. And surprisingly enough, may mga similar shades, pero each shade is a unique shade. As in, talagang, parang, iba-iba talaga sila, iba-iba yung dating. So, this is like the perfect collection for all skin types, for all skin tones. Talaga skin types and skin tones talaga, diba? As in, all around sarsa siya talaga. This is like the ultimate lipstick collaboration with content creators. Grabe. Yun lang masabi ko, grabe. Abangan ninyo, marami pa akong gagawing videos using this collection and also gagawa ako ng tutorial using my shade because this shade is such an amazing shade na all around siya. Pwede siyang daytime makeup, pwede siyang nighttime makeup, and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo yun magagawa with this shade. It's just so pretty. So, abangan niyo yan. And also, I will be hosting a giveaway and one winner will be able to get itong buong collection na to. So, abangan niyo sa aking Instagram. I-follow niyo lang ako at Raiza Contawi. Before I end this part 1 of this reveal, gusto ko muna pasalamatan ng Detail Cosmetics for trusting me to be part of this collection. Maraming salamat for making my dream come true and for making, you know, my friends' dreams come true. Maraming salamat. Personally speaking, as a beauty creator and as a makeup artist, nasa bucket list ko yan eh. Yung magkaroon ng sariling product. Yung magkaroon ng collaboration with a brand. And just to see yung effort, yung love, yung parang yung creative baby mo, tapos nilagay mo sa isang product. And this is it. Parang pinanganak na siya. This is such a dream come true. And I'm so happy to be given this opportunity. So maraming salamat, Detail Cosmetics. You guys are the best. So, watch out. Don't forget to follow them. Again, ilalagay ko yung details on the description box below para alam nyo kung saan sila kukunin, guys. So, grab it while you can. Grab it while it's hot. Grab it while may available pang PR kit. Hintay-hintay na lang tayo sa next part ng ating Powder Pout series. Thank you so much, Elena Squad. This one's for you. Big shout out to you guys. You've been my loyal friends since the beginning. Maraming salamat. Love you guys all. See you. Bye!